Hi, hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we will look into the updates of Odoo 18.2. So we have a new field called deadline field in Odoo to-do list. Let's move on to the to-do app, and we can say that a deadline field in to-do list application is an important element for time management and task prioritization. So as you just move on to the task, review and reply to emails, here you can find a field called deadline. So it allows users to assign a specific date and hour time by which a task must be completed. I'm going to set the date as of today, and here you can see the deadline. So deadline helps users to prioritize tasks based on their urgency. And to-do apps use deadlines to trigger reminders, ensuring the tasks aren't forgotten. So that's how we just deal with the deadline field in Odoo 18.2 to-do list. And if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.